welcome to our vlog!
So today's vlog is an assignment for Matematika Business subject where we have to explain about international companies from any aspect, starting from its history till we have to explain about mathematical aspect.
So, what company do we choose, guys?
IKEA!
IKEA or IKEA. So what the right pronunciation actually, guys? So since it's a Swedish company, Sweden people pronounce it IKEA. So we pronounce it IKEA.
Are you guys ready to get lost in maze with us? Let's go inside and see what they have.
Ikea is a Swedish multinational company that was founded in 1943, one of the world's largest privately held companies and has been the world's largest furniture retailer since 2008. Ikea operates in a home furnishing retail space. The company is known for its Nordic design, its of assembly of its furniture, low cost, and its large store, which also include food station. Ikea does not operate in a luxury space but seeks to offer well-designed furniture at affordable cost, which has been one of the reasons for its popularity.
IKEA was founded in 1943 by a 17-year-old named Ingvar Kamprad. He got some money from his father for doing well in school. Kamprad used the money to found a business named IKEA. Starting from the sale of very small products like pens and wallets, the business turned to the production of wooden furniture in 1948. In 1953, IKEA adopted a flatback method of selling and delivering furniture to avoid high costs and high damage rate when delivering. From there, the company focused on keeping prices low due to high turnover and direct delivery. In 1960, the company began expanding outside of Sweden with stores in Denmark and Norway. In the 1970s, it began expanding further, opening stores in Japan, Australia, Austria, Canada, Germany, Hong Kong, and Singapore, amongst others. Since then, IKEA has continued to grow into a global furniture retail with functional design and affordable prices. And until September 2023, IKEA have 462 stores operating in 62 countries. And Germany has a most IKEA store, which is 55 stores. And the largest one is in the Philippines.
And this is the first IKEA store in Bali that have been open since 18 November 2021. But the store in Bali quite different from another store in Indonesia, IKEA Alam Sutra for example. Because IKEA in Bali doesn't have a warehouse, so in here only ready for a small stuff like kitchen stuff, doll, and a small decoration. So if you want to buy a big furniture like tables, bed, and sofa, you have to wait for 3 till 1 week. The name of IKEA actually is acronym based on two things: IKEA for the founder name Ingvar Kamprad and EA for the farming village where he grew up, Elemented Agunnard. And the colors blue and yellow were not picked randomly. They are the national color of Sweden, where IKEA are founded. But that's not all. This color has a special meaning when it comes to IKEA. Blue present reliability and trust, while yellow present happiness and optimism.
In financial year 2023, IKEA sales amount to 847.6 billion, an increase 6.6% compared to last year. IKEA stores welcomed 860 million visitors in FY23 compared to 822 million in FY22. This positive result was achieved despite the continued challenge of lower sales quantities. And Inter IKEA Groups continues to progress in its efforts to make IKEA more affordable for many people. And for anyone who doesn't have time to visit IKEA store, you can buy IKEA product or just look for inspiration on their website ikea.co.id or their application, which can be downloaded via App Store and Play Store. The IKEA app is an easy way to shop wherever you are. Get inspired, browse products, log into your IKEA family account, and create shareable list.
So, IKEA has implemented a very good digital business in our opinion. It's not just their store that have a lot of innovation in the way they arrange the furnitures and decorations, but they also have applications that make things easier for many people in this digital era.
That's all our vlog for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching and
Bye-bye!
bye-bye!